Hi there, hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, November the 3rd, 2023, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. And it's time for the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, with the speed test. Yeah, the speed test. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and four of those puzzles I will do in the evening. But let me start with this one. 7383. 383. Oh, well, 7383. 7383. Okay. I have problems with the tripod. Cannot believe this. The tripod is moving. I need to hold in my hands. Okay. Well. All right. 1 minute and 43 seconds already passed. So let's get started. Here one. Here one. One. No, one. And this should be a two. Two. Three. No three here. Three. 5. 1 and a 2. One and a 3. This should be the same. 3 should be here. Well, 1 and a 2. This should be the same. This is 1. Well. 5. 2 should be here. 5. This can be a 5. This should be the 5. 1 and a 4. No one here. Here should be the 1. This should be the 1. Then this should be the 4. 3 and the 4. Can be 3. This should be the 4. This should be also a 4. This should be the 3. No 3 here. 3. No 5 here. This should be 5. This should be 3. This should be the 2. This should be the 5. 3. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. No 2. Come on. 4. This should be the 2. 1, 2, 3. This should be the 4, of course. 1, 3. No 3 here. No 3. This should be 3. This should be the 5. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. 2 and a 1, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. This should be the 2, 2, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2. Oh, this should be the 2. No 1 here. 1, 1. No 5 here. No 5. No 5. 5. No 4. 4. 4. No 2. 2. Oh, this should be the 2. This should be the 4. 1, 3. 1. 3 and a 4. 5, 5. This can be a 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 5 then. This should be the 2. 1 and the 3. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2. No 5 here. 5 should be here. No 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 3, 2. This should be the 4. 1 and the 3. 3 and the 4. 1 and the 3. Well, no 2 there. 2, 1 and the 3. No 3 there. 3. No 1, no 1, 1. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. 2, 1, 1, 3. No 2 here. This should be the 1, 2. No 1 here. 1, 1. 2, 1. This can be 2, 2. 1 and a 4. 1, 4. Come on. Need a 4 here. No 3. No 2, 2, 2. This can't be 2 anymore. This should be the 2. This should be the 3. This should be the 1. This should be the 4. No 1 here. 1 goes together with the 1 and the 2. Oh, we have a 1 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. Finished. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. -2, -1. 7 minutes again. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.